Welcome to Review Rumble. The best GoZero water bottle is probably one of the most innovative solutions for staying hydrated on the go, especially for those who are environmentally conscious and looking to reduce their single-use plastic consumption. This smart water bottle not only tracks your daily water intake, sending reminders to your phone to ensure you meet your hydration goals, but it also features a UVC LED sterilization system that purifies your water and cleans the bottle itself in just 60 seconds, eliminating up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. It's designed for the modern, health-aware individual who values convenience, technology, and sustainability in their everyday products, making it a standout choice in the crowded market of reusable water bottles. Number 5. LARQ Bottle PureVis 17 ounces. Enjoy peace of mind with innovative UVC LED technology. It neutralizes harmful bacteria in your water and cleans the inner surfaces of the bottle. Get brilliantly clean water at the touch of a button. It intelligently activates every 2 hours, keeping your bottle fresh and stink-free. This insulated stainless steel bottle keeps your water cold for 24 hours or hot for 12. Enjoy your beverage at the perfect temperature, anytime. The USB rechargeable battery provides self-cleaning power for up to a month on a single charge. Stay purified wherever you go. Recharge easily with its waterproof, IPX7 rated micro USB connector. It's designed for convenience and durability on the go. What we like. This bottle neutralizes bacteria for your peace of mind. It brilliantly cleans water in just 60 seconds and stays cold for 24 hours. If you are looking for advanced purification and convenience with a sleek design, you should consider this. What people say. The Philips GoZero Water Bottle features a UVC LED technology that purifies water and cleans the inner surface of the bottle, eliminating up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. It has a double-walled vacuum insulation that keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. The bottle is made of durable stainless steel and has a sleek, minimalist design. Number 4. Philips GoZero Active Water Bottle. Experience pure hydration with our premium water bottle. It's crafted from food-grade plastic, ensuring it's free from harmful chemicals like BPA. Enjoy cleaner water wherever you go. This bottle comes with 2 interchangeable filters designed to remove impurities from both tap and freshwater sources. Get instant access to refreshing water. Simply squeeze the bottle to get 20 ounces of clean drinking water in a flash. Stay hydrated during your adventures. Its lightweight design is perfect for all your outdoor sports and activities. Cleaning up is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe and features a leak-proof design for ultimate convenience. Make a positive impact with every sip. By choosing this reusable bottle, you're helping to reduce plastic waste. What we like. This bottle offers premium, BPA-free construction with advanced filters for tap and freshwater. It delivers clean water instantly with a sport-specific, lightweight design. If you are an active individual who needs quick access to filtered water during outdoor sports, you should consider this. What people say. The Philips GoZero Water Bottle features a UVC LED technology that effectively eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Its double-walled vacuum insulation keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours, making it ideal for various activities. The bottle is made of durable stainless steel and has a sleek, modern design that is both functional and stylish. Number 3. Philips GoZero Fitness Filter Replacement. Experience the difference with our innovative activated carbon fiber filter. It works faster than traditional filters, significantly reducing chlorine for instantly better tasting water. This system is designed for versatility. Easily switch between different filter types to adapt your bottle for any activity, from your daily workout to your next adventure. Replacing the filter is effortless. A helpful visual indicator will let you know exactly when it's time for a fresh one, ensuring optimal performance. Make a positive impact on the planet. By choosing this reusable solution, you'll reduce your reliance on single-use plastic bottles and lower your carbon footprint. Enjoy crisp, clean water wherever you go. Our advanced filter ensures you get the best taste and quality from your tap water on the move. What we like. These replacement filters feature an innovative activated carbon fiber system that absorbs impurities faster than conventional filters. They instantly improve tap water taste by reducing up to 99% chlorine. If you want to ensure your existing bottle always provides the best tasting water with minimal fuss, you should consider these. What people say. The Philips GoZero Water Bottle has a built-in filter that removes chlorine, lead, and microplastics. The bottle is made of durable, BPA-free Tri-10 material and features a leak-proof lid. Number 2. Philips Filtered Water Bottle 22-ounce Green. Tired of chlorine, odor, and bad taste in your tap water? Our activated carbon filter effectively reduces these impurities, giving you great tasting water on the go. Each filter lasts 40 gallons, meaning fewer replacements and more convenience for you. Crafted from durable, BPA-free Tri-10 plastic, this bottle keeps your drinks refreshingly cold all day long. The comfortable silicone mouthpiece allows for easy sipping, making it your perfect companion for any activity. Say goodbye to wet bags. Our advanced lid features a one-touch flip cap with a secure lock, ensuring zero drips. Its slim, cup-holder-friendly design and carrying loop make it ideal for your daily commute or travels. Make a healthy and sustainable choice by switching to this reusable bottle. Each filter can replace up to 450 single-use plastic bottles, contributing to a healthier you and a healthier planet. It's better for your health and better for the earth. This easy-to-clean bottle is designed for daily use and built to go wherever life takes you. The wide mouth makes cleaning effortless, and its top-rack dishwasher safe. Just remember to replace the filter and mouthpiece as needed for optimal performance. Enjoy the convenience of filtered water for up to 40 gallons with each filter. This means you can enjoy pure water for approximately 2 months, reducing waste and saving money. What we like. Enjoy pure, great-tasting water instantly as it effectively reduces chlorine, odor, and bad taste. It stays cold for 24 hours and features a 100% leak-proof design built for life on the go. If you prioritize taste, convenience, and a reliable leak-proof seal for daily commutes or travel, you should consider this. What people say. The Philips GoZero Water Bottle is a great choice for staying hydrated on the go. Its sleek design and durable construction make it a reliable companion for everyday use. This water bottle features a convenient one-touch operation for easy opening and closing, ensuring a spill-free experience. The integrated filter effectively removes chlorine and other impurities, providing clean and refreshing water with every sip. Number 1. Philips Activated Carbon Water Bottle Filter AWB 28537. Transform your tap water into a refreshing drink with our advanced activated carbon filter. It effectively reduces chlorine and particulates for a cleaner taste. Experience superior impurity capture thanks to its expansive surface area. Despite its effectiveness, it ensures a fast and convenient water flow. Each filter provides up to 40 gallons of purified water, lasting you up to 2 months. Enjoy consistent quality and convenience. Make a sustainable choice for the environment. By using our filters, you help reduce plastic waste significantly. One filter can replace up to 450 single-use plastic bottles. It's a simple way to contribute to a healthier planet. Enjoy peace of mind with our BPA-free design. It's crafted for your health and safety. What we like. These filters instantly transform tap water into cleaner, fresher-tasting water by effectively reducing chlorine and particulates. The activated carbon fiber filter has a large absorption surface for effective impurity capture. If you want an economical and eco-friendly solution for consistently clean and great-tasting water, you should consider these. What people say. The bottle is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting use. It features a double-wall vacuum insulation that keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. The leak-proof lid design provides convenience and prevents spills during travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.